What's up everybody, welcome back. I'm B.E.M. This is B.E.M Tech. If you've watched any of my videos, you've probably seen my setup. Take a look at it. But what I'd like to do is do a revamp of my setup. I'm not happy with it. I'd like some more space in this closet. And I want to upgrade the networking in the house, the wiring. Because it's just a hodgepodge of everything. So, might take a little while. Let's get into it. As you can see, I have numerous Cat 5 cables coming into what I'm calling the system closet. Bought in numerous lanes, 50, 100 yards, just to get internet to the rooms. The router, the modem, the main switch, there's a Dell laptop charging, numerous Cisco products we don't use, DVD player, the Mac Mini sitting next to it, Chromebook. Underneath I have ink, numerous different things under there just laying, the hard drive reader, the power bank, my phone charging. Underneath to the left I have my main Dell, which is the main system. Dell next to it is not running. That IBM underneath the printer is not running. Garbage to the right of it. Up on top there's charging products, different things in that casing, charging station to the right, my Disney pins. Up on top we have the camera, cleaning supplies. And out here on the main station behind the dead hard drives, or in front of the dead hard drives, I have my main dual monitor setup, which is connected to 3 different computers that I can switch back between on any of them, Synergy running the mouse and keyboard on all 3. And out here in the living space we have a TV which is hooked up with different games. There's a DirecTV box underneath, the Xbox 360, all currently ran with patch cable. Out in the main gaming room we have a TV which has all the gaming products. So the PS4 is out here, there's a box out here, the Wii U's out here, a lot of different equipment hooked and networked to this TV. Behind it I actually have a switch which is splitting that patch panel out to those products, and then it is actually running up to the kitchen and powering internet to the kitchen TV. And of course no home's complete without a Google Chrome Home next to the phone line. In the bedroom, never the DirecTV box, wired in through patch cable. Chromecast hooked into this TV as well. Boys' room, he has a couple different things. There's his Nintendo Switch. Hey buddy. He has a DirecTV Genie. His computer laptop hooked up. He has a Chromecast as well, along with a Fire Stick. And in the girls' room, Princess has her own DirecTV Genie box. Really, the DirecTV Genie box is only Wi-Fi, but I do want internet in the room to get there. So, let me clean up this closet. Alright, so as you can see, I've made quite a mess. as you can see, my wiring, like I said, is shoddy. That's why we're going to work on it. Alright, this is where I'm currently working. But as you can see, I did run 3 wires already. They go across the wall, which I need to tighten up. But eventually they come down behind this guy here and terminate in the wall. So right now I'm working on up by the bed in the bedroom. Still a mess, but I'm getting there. So this blue cable with the keystone already on it is one I've already run. This slightly darker blue cable was the existing Cat 5 cable, where we're working on now. So that's the existing one, this is the old one. And what I did, and I did this with the first line too, so I went ahead and taped the new line to the old. And what I hope to do here, here we go, is give myself just enough extra here to tuck in the wall in case I ever need to pull it out, do any work on it. I'll have just that little bit extra, so I have pull it out a little bit to work on. But there she is. Bring you over here. I don't know what the lighting's going to be like on it, so I apologize. Alright. A little bit extra. And I'm going to go ahead. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. My keystone. How do I want to do this? So I need brown, blue, green, orange. Perfect. Alright. I'm just going to put those in there, color match them, and punch them down. Alright. Don't look at the rat nest. That's just me using what patch cords I had to test everything, but basically you can see the row of cables coming in from the bedroom side of the house. On the other side I have the cables coming in from the gaming, playroom, living room, kitchen side of the house, and they all come down and they all feed into the patch panel. The patch panel, as you can see, is currently a wire's nest, a bee's nest, a wire's nest. That's what it is. It's all kind of wires. But I'm gonna get 1/2 inch or 1/2 foot cables and take care of that shortly. But right now that's where I stand. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the rest of the stuff back in and clean up. And the final product. Have the top shelf cleaned up, the router and modem are on top, my Google Voice box, and the Iris for my blow doors there. Just one switch. As you can see, I went out and bought 6-inch patch panel cable for it. The hard drive reader in the middle with the power bank, a charging station underneath there for all my cell phone and phone equipment, charging station on the bottom, removed the other computer, the 2 Mac Minis, and the DVD drive, which can't see the first Mac Mini, but it is under there. We're all sitting on a shelf I made for easy access. And this is almost it. I would like to put a couple panels inside the closet itself for the computers, but that's not necessary with the switch being right there at the time. Maybe I'll get to it at some point. But I'd like to thank you for watching.